Hello students, myself Akhtar Islam, the English teacher of Woodbine Modern School. Uh, as you know, that our school has decided to engage online classes for the sake of coronavirus, and now I am going to give my lecture on the second chapter, the sound of music of class 9 from the book of Beehive. This chapter actually divided into two parts. In first part, it is talking about Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it, and in the second part, the Senai of Bismillah Khan. Okay. Now, I am going to start with the first chapter. With the first part, Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. In this part, you will come to know that a physically challenged person face different types of troubles and difficulties in their life. Sometimes, most of them make a compromise with their destiny, and sometimes someone fights and struggle against the difficulties, and ultimately they succeed in their life. Okay, and actually, this part is written by this chapter, this story is written by Deborah Cole. Deborah Cole, yeah, Cole. Okay, Deborah Cole. Okay, by birth, Deborah Cole by birth is an Indian. Okay, and this is called a story, and this is called this is called a biography. The biography is about Evelyn Glennie. Deborah Cole has written this story, has written the biography of Evelyn Glennie. First of all, you should know what is biography. Biography means a person is writing the life of someone. It's called biography. Okay. Now, before starting the story, but before explaining the story line by line, I am going to tell you the story of this part, the story of Evelyn Glennie in brief. Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist. First of all, you should know the meaning of the word percussionist. This is the spelling of the word percussionist. 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 Okay. Percussionist means a person who can play different types of musical instrument. A person who can play different musical instruments. A person who can play different musical instrument. Okay, this is the meaning of the word percussionist. So Evelyn Glennie is a multi-percussionist, and she has attained mastery over almost 1,000 musical instruments. Though she was deaf, she could not hear. She learns to feel music through the body instead of hearing. वो जो है म्यूजिक मैंने एक्चुअली वो सुन नहीं सकती थी, लेकिन वो फील करती थी, है ना, थ्रू द फीलिंग्स थ्रू द कोर ऑफ हर हार्ट she can feel, and she learned the music. So when Evelyn was 11 years old, it was discovered that she had lost her hearing power. A doctor, a specialist, advised her family to send her to a deaf school. Deaf school means where blind and deaf can admit. Okay, that is called deaf school. But Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life and follow her interest in music. Okay, though she was discouraged by her teachers in her school, her potential was noticed by a master percussionist. His name was Ron Forbes. This is the spelling, R-O-N, Ron Forbes. Yeah, Forbes, Ron Forbes. Okay, he was a master percussionist. He is also a percussionist. He can also play different types of musical instrument. He inspired her not to listen, not to hear the music, but to feel. Okay, once she had overcome this hurdle and began her career in music, she got admission in Royal Academy of Music in London, and he scored the highest marks in the history of the academy. She says that hard work and determination, but dedication towards her goal helped her achieve success. And finally, she got a lot of awards, okay, through her uh, career, through her career. And she gives solo performances, SOLO, solo performances, and even gives free concerts. Concert, CONCERT, concert. Okay, concert, solo performance, and solo concert for hospitals and schools. Have you understood? So in my next class, I will explain the whole story through line by line. Okay, and at last, I want to say, if you find any difficulty, if you find any complexity, please contact me through through write something on comment box. If you find any difficulty, if you suppose you are not understanding, so you can send me a message, by you can send me a comment on the comment box. Okay, and in my next class, of course, I will start the story through line by line. Okay, thank you.